Hey guys, welcome to this new series where I try and take what Claude prompted me and use my own tool, Claude Forge build, to basically make a prop firm passer and a payout secure. Yeah, first step is actually we're backtesting. So we're using another tool that I made called the Universal Backtester for TopStep, or actually just called TopStep Backtester, I think at this point. I'll put all my open source tools that I've built in the description if you're interested. Claude Forge basically just takes everything and brings it into floors. So right now that's actually building the floors right now. And the prompt that we used, let's go right here. Don't mind me just watching a little bit while this goes by. But I'm a gamer, guys. What can I say? This prompt right here. Give me a prompt where you can come up with a strategy as a profitable edge. And basically our goal is to make $3,000 phase one, 60% of the likelihood, and then 60% odds that we go to phase two, getting our $4,000 profit, and then withdrawing $2,000 and continue to scale, hopefully. I want 60% odds for each one because then I know eventually we're gonna hit. You know what I'm saying? And I can give this out. And long story short, we're gonna use this to make StopLoss.AI and make tools and make profitable strategies where anyone can use and buy. And yeah, that's a long-term goal, and this is the short-term goal, which is actually making the strategy. And let's go. Let's wait for the build to go, and booyah, let's go. I guess while we actually make a strategy, we can see if we can get a couple wins over here in the old practice account. We just got one win down here, anticipating a scalp down to this level. Anticipating this level because it's a fair value gap. 252 basically is when the algorithm starts printing. I wanted to come over here, maybe respect over here next candle, and then I'll get into another shell. I like waiting for candle closes realistically though. 0.8. I like 0.8 RR. See if we got another candle close. Yep, I'm about to put sell 15 here. And you can do a stop buy 15 here. And then, you could also just sell right here, but it's good enough to sell right now. Let's get in. Let's get in for the long run. Let's get in for the long run. We're gonna do something like this. 0.8. Something like that. And we're gonna see if we rock it. See if we actually still working. Claude Forge build 6 minute. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Little scalps. Should we open up a funded manual tree? Stop. Imagine. Should have done it right there. Should have made a G-stack. I'm thinking of maybe on Tuesday I'm gonna make a one shot, only one day. I'm gonna try and pass an account. I feel like it's gonna be or maybe I'll make it kind of like a series where I'm trying to do it in one day, but I'm trying to just execute on that one day because today I take 3 trades. It would have been actually if I would have scalp. Would have been 4 baggers. This is about to be 5 baggers. Let's get it. All right, let's get back to the original video. But yeah, I do manual trade, guys. I just made my first $465. So yeah. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys are traders, you want more trader content. But we're trying to make a quant algo, so some floor 2 right now. And this is Kitty Cat Scrabbers, Mr. Scrabbers. Treat her nice, all right, guys. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys. For some reason, we got blocked on our build. I'm gonna figure out why, and I'm gonna give you guys an update real quick. Alright, so it looks like we should copy our strategy to a real repo, verify data, and then proceed. C1, yeah, and I'll give it the MNQ data. I forgot to give it to that for it to backtest it. For some reason I had it in the most weirdest name. This is the data. I'm gonna send it out here. Smoke run. Write a real repo that we can upload later to get. Just do it like that. You know, Git is basically where you can file like cloud store it, and hopefully it's gonna rerun these blocked folders. But that's what I kind of fuck with, or sorry, excuse my language, but that's what I kind of like with using this Claude Forge, because it breaks it down into like things that it would have, you know, like this needs approval, you know, and it doesn't want, you don't want it to just continue to go and then not really be informed on its decisions. But let's see. I'm actually gonna take this setup right here. This is an account that I kind of blew up, you know, so I'm just trying to bring it back to like a normal base. Might take this setup though. Alright guys, so this trade is working for us. Looks pretty decent. Yep, my close right here. Nice 266 for the day, baby. We're getting this account back up there. Damn, we still got still got $1,000 to chip away at. Don't want to risk too much, so taking our time. We have this account right here, which we're eligible for a payout soon. So let's see. Couldn't help it. Honestly, just gonna ride this one up. I think it's gonna go drag up to here. So in the next 5 minutes, so hopefully it starts moving. If that's the case, it has to do it now. Then this becomes my stop. So then I have to drag everything up, because then a fair value gap gets formed right here. But hopefully it continues to move in that direction. We have 3 minutes, so it looks like we're just gonna have to trade manage here. Trade manage. Do something like this. Yep. So this is what my new stop will be if in the next 3 minutes, if we don't continue up here. I'm hoping that we move up here. Rebalance is 15 minutes. Let's see. So I'm guessing 15 second. Get to come and take this out. Next. If it's bearish. I'm thinking more strategic, boys. I'm thinking the opposite. I'm thinking it could actually go down now. Take out this low. Unless it moves up there rapidly in 1 minute. But I highly doubt it. Then this becomes my high. But yeah, I guess it's not that bad. Keep it like this. Nice, nice, nice. Good shit. So we are building now the floors. Let's see what happens, guys. And by the way, if it looks like a mess in the back, it's because we are moving. So I kind of want to utilize this new like agent interface type of thing. Not this, sorry. This. So right now it's working on our session, but we can make multiple sessions. So maybe we should actually use as many different types of back tests to see if we can get a profitable strategy. And yep, I'm gonna try and utilize this. So it looks like this one is a statistical mean reversion plus order flow confirmation, which is pretty interesting. I'm actually excited for this because people will be talking about this, but I'm not gonna learn it. Hey, I got it. All right. My Claude is going into hyperspeed. Yo, why is this taking 2 hours, and why is this my time going so fast? What is going on? Is my plugin broken? Yeah, I'm like actually trying to like exit out of this, like spamming escape to interrupt it, but it's just like not working, guys. Boys, I have bad news. 0% pass rate on both phases. This is ridiculous. Single run 2024, win rate 38%, profit factor 1%. Boys, we need a profit factor higher if our win rate is 38. All right, Give me a full report, and I'm going to send this to Claude to analyze and give me parameter changes. We are gonna keep running it because we need this algo money, boys. Because look, I would love for me to make money with my algorithms and manual trading. Make money on both, great day. Make money on one, get a payout, great day. If both of them lose, I'm diversified. You know, eventually one of them is going to start winning again. Or we keep crafting, keep moving, you know, or my businesses take over. You know, we're trying to diversify our income, okay? And we're going to keep going, and we're not going to give up. This is day one, but this is a continuation forever. So right here, we go to Claude Forge. Full report should be there. Let's open this with a notepad. I guess I'll open a VS Code. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this full report. I'm gonna give it to Claude. Claude's basically gonna give me some changes that we should do. And while we're doing that, we're gonna run what the order flow prompt is. I don't think we ran that yet. We're gonna run that one too. And we're gonna check out the next back test very soon. Boom. Well, we got back from Claude. Looks like some new long bias, short positions, prior session sweep plus rejected equals full position size. So it looks like it's going for, it's continuing to dive down. So I like this. Loosening the volume filter. Honestly, I haven't read any of this strategy, so I'm just reiterating. But honestly, yeah, I'm excited to see what this goes. What happens, what's the next back test. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. All right guys, so we're cooking. We got Claude actually fixing up the changes, just a streamlined up application, and yeah, I'm gonna put the order flow prompt in right now. Bad news guys, we did another back test with the other changes. 100% no improvement. We're gonna get a full report and we're gonna keep going, and I'm gonna come back with you guys with some numbers that are gonna shock you. Because the next time you hear from me, we will have a nice back test. Guys, we got some numbers that weren't so good. We're going to get a back test now. Alright guys, so I'm going to actually try and find a strategy that's not utilizing order flow, that's utilizing a negative risk reward and high win rate scalping. I'm going to cook this up. It's seeing VWAP EMA strategy, so let's see what it cooks. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys have a good day. If you guys will want some more content, let me know. If you want me to continue doing this, let me know. Have a good day, guys.